Last class we discussed general treatment of poisoning. Today we will start individual poison. According to classification of poison, first group is corrosive poison. It includes inorganic acids, inorganic alkali, organic acids and organic alkali. So we will continue with inorganic acid. In this group, first is sulfuric acid. Pure sulfuric acid is colorless, oily liquid. It does not emit fume on exposure to air. It may be mistaken for liquid paraffin or water or glycerine. When it comes in contact with the skin becomes black. When it comes in contact with cloth or paper, these become reddish brown in color. It is burned and then leave holes. It is highly corrosive substance. When mixed with water, it generates a lot of heats. Symptom and sign of H2SO4 poisoning. First is burning pain in mouth, throat up to the stomach. Brownish discoloration of angle of mouth, chin and chest. Lips, mouth become softened, excoriated and covered with dirty white necrotic material. It turns into blackish brown material. The mouth may be filled with thick brown viscous material consisting of saliva and excoriated mucus patches. This substance causes difficulty in speaking and swallowing. It may prevent respiration and causes death due to asphyxia. Patients suffer from retching and vomiting. Patient feel very thirsty and if he drinks water, it further stimulates vomiting. Lots of saliva secreted which passes along the mouth and causes astenia. The throat is swollen and the swallowing becomes painful and difficult. Abdomen becomes distended and board-like rigidity occur when there is perforation of the stomach. There may be loss of voice, frequent coughing may occur, edema of glottis causes respiratory obstruction and anoxia. Causes of death in H2SO4 poisoning. First is shock, anoxia, exhaustion, perforation of stomach, toxemia, peritonitis and stricture of esophagus. Post-mortem appearance is H2SO4 poisoning. Angle of mouth gets brownish black due to salivary stain. Lips excoriated, mucosa and mouth corroded. Tongue become distorted and teeth chalky white. Esophagus mucus is corroded. Stomach internally almost black in color. Perforation may be found, dark brown or black liquid present in the stomach. Mucous membrane detached. Stomach was soft and pulpy. The perforated area of stomach is black and irregular. So this perforation acid passes in abdominal cavity and causes blackening of the liver, spleen and kidney. Death is generally immediate due to edema of glottis and circulatory failure. Early death occur due to gastric perforation and delayed death due to secondary infection and pneumonia. Treatment of H2SO4 poisoning. Repeated wash with water on external part which comes in contact with acid. Second, mild alkali such as aluminum hydroxide gel is used. Demulcent like milk, egg, albumin may be given. Tracheostomy is done if there is edema of the glottis and assisted ventilation is given. Fetal dose is 5 to 10 milligram. Fetal period is 18 to 24 hours. Medical legal importance, it is mostly accidental. Vitriolase. What is vitriolase? Vitriolase refers to the intentional throwing of an acid or other corrosive liquid by a man on the face or body of the another individual. The motive of throwing acid to harm the or disfigure or make him or her blind by producing chemical burn or injury. The term vitriolase is given because in most cases vial of vitriol, that is H2SO4, is used for this. This preference is primarily due to easy availability of the H2SO4 acid. Treatment: washing off skin and face frequently with water, then thick paste of magnesium oxide or carbonate applied over it. Surgical repair may be required. Vitriolase is reported worldwide but more common in Asian subcontinent or Jamaica. Most victims are female. Offenders are mostly disgruntled lovers or a spouse in marital discord. Motive of vitriolase is revenge. Sign and symptom of vitriolase: burns are deep and painless, with blackening and charring of the affected area. Ocular exposure leads to the blindness. Complication of vitriolase: disfiguration of face, blindness and deformity and infection. Outcome is serious physical as well as psychological trauma to the victim. Medical legal importance: blindness and disfigurement of face amount grievous injury. Section 320 of IPC. In Section 326 of IPC, corrosive substance is a dangerous weapon. Corrosive substance is a dangerous weapon. The next inorganic acid is nitric acid, HNO3. It is colorless fuming liquid. It has a peculiar choking odor. It is deep yellow in color. Clinical feature: burning pain, salivation, difficulty in swallowing, and violent vomiting. The vomitus is yellowish brown in color. The teeth looks yellow. It causes irritation in nose, eyes, and in air passage. Lacrimation is present. Difficulty in breathing, sneezing, coughing, dyspnea, and photophobia. Edema of glottis may lead to anoxia and death. Fetal dose is 10 to 15 ml. Fetal period is about 1 day. Postmortem appearance: yellow frothy mucus from mouth and nose, yellow staining of mouth, chin, and cheek. Yellowish brown, soft, friable, and ulcerated. Perforation rarely occur. Treatment: same as treatment of sulfuric acid. Medical legal issue: it is used by Goldsmith, so used as suicidal poisoning in Goldsmith family more. It may be used for vitriolase purpose. The next inorganic acid is hydrochloric acid, HCl. It is also a colorless fuming liquid. It affects respiratory passage more than the nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Fetal dose is 10 to Fatal dose is 15 to 30 ml. Fatal period is 18 to 30 hours. Symptom and sign. Fumes causes cough and dyspnea, cyanosis, anoxia due to edema of glottis. Bronchopneumonia may occur. Mucosa of mouth and tongue turns grayish white. Those exposed constantly to HCl fumes suffer from conjunctivitis, corneal ulcer, pharyngitis, laryngitis, and glossitis. Gastritis, delirium, and convulsion may occur. Postmortem appearance, buccal and esophageal mucosa are ashy green in color. Stomach mucosa grayish white patches present. Stomach contains brownish acidic fluid. Lungs inflamed, show gestation, show congestion and patchy consolidation. Medical importance may be used for vitrolase. Treatment same as sulfuric acid. This is all about inorganic acid. Thanks. In next class we will discuss organic acid. Okay.